Good evening and good light, illuminators. This evening's galactic light language activation is for the opening and the connecting of our heart chakra and our throat chakra and the sound of color. In inviting these energies in this blue energy of the throat chakra and the green energy of the heart chakra, and combining these energies in allowing us to open up the heart chakra energy, in allowing it to connect with our throat chakra, that we can speak our truth, that we can feel calm yet confident in knowing what is true for us and knowing that it is our truth and that we have the power and capacity to speak the truth that is within us and that is solely ours, uniquely yours. So with the help of our spirit guides and our galactic families, allow the sound of color to envelop you, to feel the connection between your heart and your throat, and in the ability to speak your heart. Oh, nahi. Oh, nahi. Onoelania sorahina sanahi. Inna turashina alaha. Inna turashanyana lahi iha. Noralia sonaha i alaha. Nuralahi nu anahi. Runayaha runayaha. Shiralaha si alaha. Shinarahalu anahi. Nialua satyana kora, sipoha salakati, toko abalasina, turukumpo kualaha satahi, hosona, alokura shahipukua, sonua toka. Mitikia nasalahasina takila kotoroko, pulianahi. Hahasanakoto oncho shopo tara. Nituku ayamahala sasataki. Hahasanatiala. Maanyayana nakola kotoroko polo susobu ashani. Ohatoko totuko shai. Marolahana shinari. Sonoalatianayala hitura. Sinolahi suralaha shuralaha sunahi loralahi sunalaloanaha shuhananahi soturhampaleasana korapayaka tolua sasahi lohasaniataki totukusapaiko Toku wahalaniana abruku mihaya isala sana totoroku pola saniana kotoroko soasha itiha inoko sapaya daisha wahala kotoroko lasi sopoha lahi aloko mayawala ilasisia pala kotoroko lahiana ishoyolahi li sotoroko posho kelahi toroko ora shahi Lisisia Palasiana Kai, Walua Itarakala, Mora alasi iti ilakina itorokura pikahinati. Tihisa sapakai shoshoahi. Lusupoa. Litirikalia sapaliandra kalantoroko. Ohayashaya. Mohala sasiateki. Misoya inai una ito ko ayapula ientata itoto ayasuha ko ayata. O hasa sapa ko yenta ko yasha ipukoa. Ni sasapalenta kila kienta kolea sasapalenta kolea hona o hoshosha. Hisisia la katia kolam ko yapala soro ko sa layenta kalempa layana alia. Li hisa sapa kanta kalanko toroko. O sota ila puhana ila sasapalaha. Nisi iha ni intakura shashabolea sasayi walaha. Ni ientala kala yusu sapalaha hisiana. Moha satara kila. Moyaleana yalahi naranahi. Loleana yela tuka. Noyalatia naya shinurahi. Inaha. Ito yasa payenda kisho ayento kohala amuhana yoto hatu oha hisiana ilinka yanshana hiuko autoha oha nuko apayo ashoha ihatosa salasita rakila samo ashi mitu haya pala sasiana kalakotoroko poya shaha sisiti aliantaraka Tulu saimia la aikia aluhashi hasaliana nako oko tolu kubaya ni adahi. Misisa palasana ki oya anila asi o hena kalia tarkalia boka ya sola sitara kolambala tiana ko muhaya. Misutu ko shapalea tarkilasia ahatu o soturu ko moya shashayo sana. Ayutuha, and it is natural and normal for your throat to be clearing, to clear out the energies that no longer serve you, to clear out the words that are not yours, to clear away the beliefs that are not your signature vibration, to allow your own voice to come forward, to hear your own voice, to hear your own heart, and speak that heart. Isani satara kanoko pala hisatiana ohalo sasama hohasha shanaki salahesa sana kilakoloko namoa lisoya. Isunoko esa soya shanahiala lisanayasa. Your voice, like your signature core vibration, is unique. It is yours and yours alone. Isania salakoyanaya alusanokesaliasaniata. Allow others to resonate with that voice. Isona with this heart, your heart. Yishuna leasaniata otadakosa malakoha. Inu unayokor unkea shata hasaka ayusha. I oyana kalatita kalesana yusha polate. Hahasanukoaka, Porashanala Sasana. For as you release, you allow in Isanyatara, the new light, the new understanding, the voices of your other hearts. Asinatora Kopola Sanatarakala, Ohashanaki Salisanaki, Ohasanatsi. Also speaking through you, with you. Inakisa salati, ohena sasana, ahatuko aboashani, hatuko epolasani kakoshno, pliano wakelandia darakaliensia, hituha, marushonaki todokosa. Inutulo koemba galati alosano koshani tarakala oma alihaniaka. Tila sana tarakalatia sho o hatolosa ponya ilesiata kila sana toroku. When you share your heart, you share your voice, you share your soul, your signature vibration. Anukola sanyana, the beautiful light that is yours and yours alone. Aniyasa tianasila. Misa turukuasanieta, to invite another's light and to shine yours upon theirs. Inakilaka tiata kalampa koyasayi. You change the universe, you change all of time and timelines. When you speak, it is a creation. It is something that did not exist before, that will exist now for all time. Oyanayata kila, ohanamakwe kalatarakia, mohato morashanatisa, sinupuasaniasa, anusa. And much like your like your thoughts, but much stronger, is the manifestation power of this voice. Inotora kampanshiana kalantara kalandoko. Clear away, clear away, clear away. Inatoro kwasapayashana. Oha sanatisa. Durso, the voices of the others. The beliefs and the thoughts that are not yours, that do not serve you. Or shunukuasatisha, or once were yours and no longer are. Nitalaki darala sianakua. Mashuna kiasatiasana. Feel the power of the vibration of your voice and your words when you speak from your heart. Inasietanisana. For when you speak from your heart, no volume is necessary. Inokoilasiana. Otoruko samako shanala atoko. Misonoko shania tarakila hasanato. Tisona hila sanatiakwa. Mituishanatia sali sanatiasa. For they now speak volumes. Isonokoa poshanatiela. Disanakiasa. The vibration of your heart. Inakolakandia sanisa. Soturuko amiasia isanakila. Misonokoa shanisa. Hohanaki ayutuko asani shanatara. Mishotoko asina. And this shout from the rooftops, from the mountaintops, your heart. Ikanya sataroko sala sanato. Miyashaneata kila nunia kayianda kalanda koyambako isahi. Mitui Ashinakia Ayantalasia Tarakala Yisanakawakoya Oilusanapoa Okwa Kasha Ayana Ilaki Ayatoka Sanatalaki Or Shanati Sinosamala Sayushana Yuanshiana. You are a chord of the harp of the symphony of all that is. Nisaya Koshanata. Tisono Korasaniasana. You make miracles with your song. Inatyasa. No Shoya, for you are all a miracle. No Solwakayana. Sing to all that is. Nyatarukwambashyana. We thank you, and it is an honor to be with you in this way, in this now. Nika Tiyashanakoaka. We are one with you, and you are one with us. Inakoyandasha. Diasonokoasalayasana. The light within you illuminates the light within us, and the light within us illuminates the light within you. Ontaya. Kainosaya. Onaya haya. Nihalara sinahi. Nihalara shanaha. Sinalaha. Sihalahi. Nihalaha. Shinahi. Alahu. Hikayasanala atoka mashu. We are love. I love you, dear ones. Niyatalaka sono asayishanaki. Isono hasanyatara. Iyasha. You help me speak my heart. Ikayushona kalasiyana. Ahanyasana kishana. Misona kaliyatariyana. Miyana kiyasanyasa. We are harmony. Ikiyashanato.